Miss Kelly. This is my faithful assistant, Larry. I am a homeschooling mom. I live in Garden City. In a past life, I was a scientist. I don't hold a PhD in chemistry, anything like that. I worked in a laboratory. And I've always had a lifelong love of science, and I thought it might be kind of fun today if we explored a little bit about the science of diapers. So has anyone ever thought about how do diapers work? Does anybody have an idea about how diapers work?
I know.
Tell me.
I know.
All right, you're next. Tell me, Dante.
You can put them on babies and like your friend, like your brother Jude. Yeah, and also they go potty in them.
They can go potty in them. Yeah.
And also, so they learn how to go potty. And also it kind of goes big when it's pee.
Oh, it goes big when they pee. That's interesting. How about you? What did you want to tell me about how diapers work?
You put the strap.
The straps?
And when my baby, and he poops in a diaper bag, his body is poopy.
Yeah.
And his name is Baby Junior, but my daddy has the name of Juice, but mine, I think that's the name is Buddy.
I think it's funny.
And you do the strap, the diaper, and make it tight on it.
And then make it tight?
Yeah.
So we don't get poop everywhere, right?
Yeah, and
That's my favorite thing about diapers. We don't get pee and poop everywhere, right?
well, my cousin Arlo smears it on the walls.
Yeah. Babies are weird. You tell me, bud.
When they go potty, the diaper catches it.
The diaper catches it.
And it soaks it up.
Very good. Does anybody else have anything else they want to say about diapers? Yes, ma'am.
The magic word, Velcro.
Velcro. I like that. So babies wear these things to catch their pee and their poop, right?
Yeah.
So I didn't really think about that they had anything special about them, but Larry wants to tell us something special about diapers.
Babies get science in their diapers.
Babies keep science in their diapers. So today, we're going to learn a little bit about what kind of science babies keep in their diapers. And you know what? It's not pee and poop.
And sometimes
So what's this?
a diaper.
A diaper. So, we talked about it holds the pee and the poop, right? It's got all this elastic that goes around them. It's got the Velcro to hold it on them. What do you think's in here? What's it look like? It's soft, kind of fuzzy. So what, it just like, they pee in there and it gets bigger, right? Have you ever taken one apart? Don't do this part at home. Okay?
Jude has.
So we're going to rip apart a diaper. And we're going to see what's inside it. So there's this cotton stuff in here, right? So the baby like pees and poops in there and that sucks it up like a washcloth or something, right? So if we rip this up and we put it in a bag, there's going to be something different that we're going to find. Oh. So we'll shake our diaper around and see if we can find it. Alright, this might be hard to see, so I'm going to plug in my little microscope here so we can see it a little bit better. Alright, so I shook this diaper around that I took apart, right? Do you see something bouncing around in there? I'm going to dump it under here. You should be able to see it on the string. So what do we see there? I know it's kind of tricky to see. There's a little piece of fuzz. But what do you see right here? Some little specks, right? So we're going to talk about what those little specks are in the diaper. It has a very special science name that we're going to learn. And it's actually a chemical that babies keep in their diapers.
Yep.
This fancy stuff, this little powder that we found, has a name called sodium polyacrylate. Is that a weird name? Let's all say it.
What water marbles are made of?
So, sodium, can we say sodium?
Sodium.
Poly.
Poly.
Acra. Late. Sodium polyacrylate. So that's this powder that's in baby diapers. And it is called a hydrophilic polymer, which is another funny word. So a hydrophilic polymer is something that loves water. Loves it. So hydrophilic means love of water. Like it can't get enough water. It wants to suck up water, hold on to it, be friends forever. So to better understand that, we're going to pretend that I am a hydrophilic polymer. I am sodium polyacrylate. You guys, shh. I see something. I don't know how to tell you guys this, but I love water. And I love water so much. I can't help myself. I have to have it all. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, I love it. Oh, I love it. Oh gosh, I can't get enough of this stuff. I love it. I want all the water in the world. I'm going to hold it and keep it forever. So that powder that we see in that diaper sucks up water. So we talked about the diaper gets bigger when the baby pees in it, right? That's that powder getting bigger. So I'm going to show you. I opened up a diaper and I poured some of the powder in there. So here's baby Johnny. Baby Johnny has to pee. So we'll let baby Johnny pee. Yeah. So we let baby Johnny pee here. And it turns into a gel. So that little white powder inside that diaper turned into like a goo. So guess what's inside pee diapers?
Yeah.
Pee goo.
Yeah.
That's what's inside a diaper.
And then you take slime.
It looks like slime, exactly right. All right.
It feels like slime.
So there are some other places that we can find sodium polyacrylate or hydrophilic polymers. Olaf, what does Olaf have to do with baby diapers?
I think I know. He's water.
Could be. So, have you guys ever watched a movie that had snow in it? Do you think they used real snow? No, because in Hollywood it's hot and it's warm and they got all the lights. They use fake snow. And fake snow is this exact stuff. It's the exact same stuff. And then, does anybody know what these look like? Marbles. So, Orbeez, have you guys ever heard of Orbeez? Or water marbles? Orbeez. So, Orbeez, or water marbles, are made out of the exact same stuff. That's why they get bigger when you put them in water. Potting soil sometimes has this in it. This substance was actually created back in the 1960s for agriculture purposes, to keep water in the soil. And then some genius was like, hey, I'm going to shove that in a diaper and see how it works. And then, what's this guy?
Astronauts have to wear diapers.
Astronauts have to wear diapers when they go on spacewalks, or when they take into space, or returning. And astronauts. You know what? Astronauts give it a funny special name. They call it a maximum absorbency garment. You know what it is? It's a big old diaper. Hold on. We'll do questions right at the end, okay? You know what this is? An astronaut diaper.
Whoa. Oh my God, it's huge.
It's very maximum absorbency garment.
Can I tell
It's a diaper.
Can I tell you something about X-ray?
We can right at the end. We'll do questions, okay? So, I know I heard this question earlier, but Kelly, tell me, how come diapers, if a baby goes in a wading pool, get gigantic? Like huge, like trying to suck up the baby pool. But a baby cannot pee that much and the diaper would leak before it held that much. So what's the difference? So the difference is human urine,
Which is baby pee.
human urine or baby pee is 95% water.
Diapers versus pool.
But there's 5% of urine that has other things in it. So our body makes waste, gets rid of it, we pee out our
And
waste.
they use it so bad.
Yeah, one of the things that we pee out is salt.
No, we
So-
can't pee out salt.
We do pee out salt. And salt,
Ew! Then our pee-pee would be salty.
it is kind of salty. So salt interferes with the ability for this gel to gel, so now it turned into a liquid. So that's why baby diapers can't hold nearly as much pee, but you can put tons and tons and tons of water in it. So that's why if a baby goes in a pool, their diaper gets about this big. Because that stuff will just keep on loving that water.
Yup. Like you saw her do.
So, I also wanted to talk to you guys a little bit today about how we can have some fun with this stuff.
Question?
At the end, okay?
But it's a question about the astronauts.
We will talk about it at the end. So, we're going to do some hands-on activities today, but there's something really important about doing hands-on science activities, and that
watch a video.
is safety rules. So I need everybody to listen very carefully because I am not technologically advanced enough to get this totally to work, but I'm going to play a video for you of Miss Kelly's science rules.
Yup, you're going to hear me and her.
Speak of not technologically advanced.
What a Lego stand. I want to see the Lego movie.
It is kind of a Lego. Larry helped me make a Lego movie of our science rules. Let's see if we get to it.
Turn it up.
All right, so while that's figuring itself out, I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about what we're going to do today. We're going to come over here. We're going to come over here and we're going to have a diaper filling station. And we're going to see how much water we can get a diaper to hold. And then we're going to come over here. And we're going to have all kinds of water marbles for us to play with. Because water marbles
Are made out of the big science word.
so we get to play with our water marbles. Over
Wow.
here, we're going to have a fake snow station. Remember how we looked at Olaf, in the picture of Olaf?
Yeah.
So we're going to have a fake snow station over here. And I'm going to put 2 trays over here as well with some fun stuff for us to look at. Oh, good. So let's see if we can get our science rules to work.
Yep.
Oh, hold on.
Wait.
Yeah, we tried. Yep. So anyways, we're watching without the sound of Larry and I will tell you what we're doing here. Alright, so I'm telling you that I am Miss Kelly, and this is Bob who doesn't follow the rules.
Which is, I was talking.
And I'm here to tell you that the #1 science rule today is don't eat the science. No matter how delicious it looks, don't eat the science. Don't be like Bob. Don't pick up the science. Don't put it in your mouth. Don't give me any more gray hairs. Do not eat the science. Don't eat the science. play with.
Baby over
And do not throw, drop, or harm the science. Do not throw it on the ground. Do not throw it at people. Don't drop it. Don't throw it. Don't drop it. Don't throw it. Please. And thank you. All right.
Can we do it now?
We get to do stuff
Or
now.
otherwise. Not.
So let me set up some stations for you.